Good morning, everyone. Today I shall speak on water quality and health effects. Myself, Professor Farooqi, working in this civil engineering department of AMU Aligarh. Now, water is an essential component of life, and its quality depends upon the use. As far as daily use is concerned, we find out its quality in terms of three parameters: physical parameters, includes color, its haziness, its temperature, odor. Chemical parameters include pH, alkalinity, hardness, positive ions, negative ions, toxic chemicals, organic pollutants, and disinfection byproducts. Now, another important criteria for fixing the quality is disease causing bacteria and virus that we found out by fecal coliforms and MPN number. Now, the objective of the talk is to assess the water quality that is fit for drinking purposes, and the outcome would be to find whether the water sample is suitable or not, and accordingly, if there are any pollutions, we may propose any treatment. Now, safe water should be free from disease-causing bacteria and virus, should be clear, should not be saline, free from offensive taste or smell, free from compounds that may have adverse effects on health, and free from chemicals that may corrode the water supply pipelines. One of the important pollutant is fluoride. You see here the bones have deformed because of excess concentration of fluoride, and here mottling of tooth occurs. In India, there are places in Rajasthan where fluoride is in 6 milligrams per liter as against permissible limit of 1.5 milligrams per liter. Now, Aligarh is a place where there are many lock industries. Water may have chromium, lead, nickel, copper, zinc, arsenic. They are cancer causing compounds, and these days increase in cancer is because of one of the reasons, maybe because of heavy metals which are present in water. Arsenic is found in many places in our country, particularly in West Bengal, Eastern UP, and is present in more than permissible limit of 0.01 milligrams per liter. It causes skin cancers, it causes paralyzes limbs, etc. Another group of pollutants is persistent organic pollutants. Many of them are very toxic. They have very high half-life. They are semi-volatile, and many of them are organochlorine-based pesticides. They can damage our nervous system. They decrease our immunity, our reproductive system. Many of them are cancer-causing, and most of them are endocrine disruptors. That is, they affect our hormonal system. Now, these days, there is a trend towards researches on micropollutants like pharmaceutical compounds, the drugs which we consume, the personal care products like shampoos, soaps, etc., and the disinfection byproducts like its compounds formed using chlorine. Not much attention is given to such compounds, but these days, pharmaceutical compounds, people are doing a lot of research on them, and they are found in abundance in many places. Now, water should be free from disease causing bacteria and viruses. Common waterborne diseases include cholera, typhoid, dysentery, hepatitis A, polio, etc. And these are caused because of consumption of contaminated water. It is a global fact that the diarrhea is, killing billions of children. Every second, a children dies because of contaminated water. Thank you very much for patient listening.